Yes. Left side keep heading. Complementary angle. Complementary angle. Keep heading. Complementary angle. Yes. Listen carefully, students. What is the meaning of complementary angle? If we are adding two angle, that sum is coming 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. Any two angle we can take, but the measure of two angle will be 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. Suppose I am writing here 30 degree is one angle, 30 degree is one angle. Don't write, listen carefully. 30 degree is one angle, and in 30, which angle I will add? It will become 90 degree, 60 degree. 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now this both angles are complementary angle. Other angle I can take it, not this only. I will take here next example 10 degree and 80 degree. Sum of 10 and 80 is 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. The sum of two angle is exactly 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. If sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angle. Note down definition. Yes. Two angles are said to be complementary. Start writing, everyone. Note down. Two angles. Two angles are said to be two angles are said to be complementary two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures if the sum of if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. And each one of them is called and each one of them called the complement of others. The complement of the complement of the other. Two angles, two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree and each of them called the complement of the others. If I'm asking what is the complement of 30 degree? What is answer? Complement of 30 is 60 degree. Complement of 10 degree, 80 degree. Complement of 40 degree, 50 degree. Got it? Yes. Draw this figure, everyone. Suppose this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Now we can say 30 degree and 60 degree both are complement. Both are complement. Note down, draw this figure, everyone. How to check our answer is right or wrong? When we are adding 30 degree and 60 degree, this answer will become 90 degree. Means we can say 30 degree and 90 degree both are complement. Anyone can tell me second example? Suppose I am taking 30 degree, sorry, if I am taking 70 degree, and tell me which angle. In 70, which angle I will add, it will become 90 degree. In 70, which angle I will add, it will become 90 degree. 20 degree. 70 degree and 20 degree, both are complement. Both are complement. Everyone turn on our video. All students turn on our video. Yes. Tell me, Trishika.
Sir, can you please admit me in the other device?
You are not you are unable to admit, beta. We are trying to admit to you, but you are unable to join, right? From our side, there is no issue. You check your connection, right? Next. Yes. Tell me, Hanvita, example of complementary angle. Tell me any two example, both are complement.
Sir,
Tell me two angle that both angle are complement.
sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
My voice is not breaking. You tell me answer. Yeah. Ashwita, tell me. Tell me two angles, both are complement. Any two angles, both are complement. Suppose first angle I am taking 50 degree. What is the complement of 50? Huh? Ashwita,
Yes,
your voice is very low. I'm unable to hear.
yes, sir.
What is complement of 50?
60 degree.
Yes, means in 50 when we are adding 30, then also will become 90 degree. Yes. Next, Vilohit. Example of complement angle.
So 30,
30 and next.
60.
Right. Rakicharan. Two complement angle.
Sir,
Rakicharan.
sir,
Two complement angle, beta.
sir, 70,
And next,
20.
70 plus 20, what will become? 90. Right. I hope you got it. When we will add two angles, that answer will become 90 degree. Then we can say both angles are complementary angle. Next keep heading, supplementary angle. Next keep heading, supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Spelling check it very properly, students. Supplementary angle. Two angles are said to be supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary two angles are said to be supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. If the sum of their measures is 180 degree and each one of them and each one of them each one of them is called the supplement of the other, is called the supplement of the other. Means if I want to add two angles, that answer is coming 180 degree, then we can say both angles are supplement. Suppose I am drawing first angle here 60 degree, second angle I am drawing 120 degree. Now 60 degree and 120 degree both are supplement. Yes. Now 60 degree and 120 degree both are supplement. Why? Because 60 plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. If sum of two angle is not coming 180 degree, then both angle are not supplement. Yes. This first example. Tell me students, second example. Tell me two angles both are supplement. Suppose I am taking first angle 100 degree. And what will be second angle? 80 degree. 100 plus 80 is 180 degree. 180 degree both are supplement. Write down second examples also. Note down third example. Note down third example. Find the complementary angle of find the complementary angle of 59 degree. Find the complementary angle of 59 degree. Very interesting question and very easy question. He is asking in the question, find complementary angle. And I know sum of two angle is 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. One angle he has given, second angle we don't know. Then what I will do, assume here. Already we know sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree. The sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because both are complementary. Now we don't know what is complement of 59. I will assume let the complement angle ACX. Let the complementary angle is equal to X. Now I will write first angle is X. X plus 59 degree is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to plus 59. I want to transpose to the right side. Plus quantity becomes minus 90 degree minus 59 degree is equal to 10 minus 9, 1, 8 minus 5, 3, 31 degree. Example 4. Yes. Find the supplementary angle of find the supplementary angle of find the supplementary angle of 155 degree. Now in this question you are observing students supplementary angle, not complementary, means 180 degree minus 155 degree I want to do here. Again I don't know. Firstly I will write sum of supplementary angle sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. Let the supplementary angle is equal to X. Let the supplementary angle is equal to X. Now X plus 155 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now plus quantity becomes minus plus 155. I want to transfer to the right side. Plus quantity becomes minus. X is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree. X is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 1 minus 1, 0. X is equal to 25 degree. Hence, 25 degree and 155 degree both are supplement. Hence, 25 degree and 155 degree are supplement. Example 5. Find the supplementary angle of example 5. Find the supplementary angle of (141°). Start solving everyone this question. Find the supplementary angle of 141°. Those will solve the answer, you can raise your hand. Start solving everyone. Don't write shortcut, students, because in mathematics step by step marking is there. Sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180°. Those are unable to solve, again concentrate here. Sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180°. Let the supplementary angle is equal to x. Then x plus 141° is equal to 180°, plus quantity becomes minus x is equal to 180° minus 141°. X is equal to 10 minus 1 9, 7 minus 4 3, 1 minus 1 0, 39°. Hence 39° and 141° are supplement. Hence 39°, hence 39° and 141°, hence 39° and 141° or supplement. Now one student is there, he is saying, sir, whatever you got the answer, how I can believe your answer is right or wrong? Then I told, okay, you need to believe. How to believe? 39° plus 141°, when we will add, what is coming? 180° is coming or not? Our answer is right. Don't write this, only for answer check purpose I told to you. Yes. Next, keep heading. Next, keep heading everyone. Linear pair angle. Keep heading. Linear pair angle. Keep heading. Linear pair angle. Keep heading. Linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. Yes. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. What is the meaning of linear pair? First, concentrate everyone here. Concentrate everyone here. All students stop writing. Concentrate here. Suppose, stop writing everyone. All students stop writing. I have drawn this figure. In this figure, how to identify which angle is the linear pair angle. If one angle is adjacent to the another angle, if one angle is adjacent to the another angle, suppose I am talking about angle CBD, this angle CBD and angle ABD, both are adjacent or not. Adjacent means side by side. Side by side, one angle is adjacent to the another angle. Now the left side angle is adjacent to the right side angle. Means we can say, I told in previous class there are three ways are there to represent the angles. I can write here angle B or angle CBD or angle DBC. There are three ways are there. In previous class, I explained very clearly to you how to write the angles. Angle B or angle CBD or angle DBC. And also I explained in the previous class, this middle is coming B, that is called vertex. If two or more than two rays are meeting at one point, that is called common initial point or vertex. Here B is the vertex, means B is common left side and right side. Now this angle and left side angle and right side angle both are linear pair, and sum of linear pair angle will be always 180 angle, 80 degree. Already you know this is forming 180-degree angle. Means sum of linear pair angle will be always 180 degree. Don't write anything. First listen carefully. If I have drawn this angle, tell me what is the name of this angle? What is the name of this angle? Angle O we can say, or we firstly I can say angle O, or what we can say angle ROA. I can say angle ROA, or we can say angle AOR. There are three ways are there to represent the angles. You are observing students here. O is coming in the middle, that is vertex. O is coming in the middle, that is vertex. Understood? There are three ways are there to represent the angles: angle ROA, angle AOR, or angle O. If one angle is adjacent to the another angle, that is called linear pair angle. Note down definition. Linear pair angles are formed linear pair angles linear pair angles are formed when two lines intersect each other. Two lines intersect each other at a single point. When linear pair angle will form? When two lines intersect at one point, that is called linear pair angle. Paragraph change. The angles are said to be linear. The angles are said to be linear. The angles are said to be linear if they are adjacent to each other. If they are adjacent, if they are adjacent to each other. If they are adjacent to each other after the intersection of the two lines. After the intersection of the two lines. Draw this figure. In this figure, you are observing, students, angle AOC, angle BOC, both are adjacent angle. Angle AOC and angle BOC, both are adjacent. And you are observing, students, here, this line AB, line OC are intersecting at one point. Then only linear pair angle will form. Down, no down. Angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angle. Then I can write